Hey guys, Menchi here, and today I'm going to show you a drop. In a Vluarr style. I used a track called They Don't Know, a really cool track. I like it, and I decided to make something like a copy of this drop. Maybe not one by one, but I tried to make it really similar. Yeah, let's listen to this drop, and I'll explain what I used here. Sounds like that, and let me show you what I used here. Let me show you rhythm section. It's the kick drum, clap, something like a closed head, and shakers. Sounds like that, and we have here something like toms. I used two different toms here. Also we have something like a, a reverse clap. If you see the drop above, it's a drop by Vluarr, and as you see, we have something like a reverse. Like a kick and reverse. Yeah. I really like how it sounds. We have sub bass. Yeah, and as I said, it's a copy. I tried to make the similar drop, and you can see the notes. The notes are not so long, maybe here and here, but these notes are a bit short. I used something like sub bass and tom. That's why I didn't use long notes. Yeah. Then we have mid bass. It's something like a saw. Yeah, something like that. And we have the main part. We have 4 layers of the main lead. It's something like a lead or plug. I don't know how it's called right. Yeah, we have 4 layers of this drop. Sounds really cool. I like it. And we have vocal section. I used something like a short phrase and stutter vocals. Don't feel right. I used on the 6th channel here this plugin called GLFO. I like it a lot. I use it a lot. So let me off. Don't feel right. I'm using it to make this stutter effect, but I used it maybe 2 or 3 years ago for other my tracks, and it sounds really cool. So I used some one shots, something like that, something like a feel. And this feels sounds really cool in this drop. So I made something like a copy. As I said, I'll upload this project to my Patreon page if you want to see how I made it, all the presets, all the procession I made here. You can easily download it and check. Maybe you want to make a track in a Vluarr style, feel free to use it, but don't forget to change the melodies, because I used melodies from this track. Don't forget to change it. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it or not? It's a really short review of this track, but I made just a job. Maybe I'll make another sections like breakdown and build-up sections, maybe whole track. I don't know, maybe next time, but I tried to make a drop, something like a drop. I'll leave the link in the description. I made it from scratch, but as you know, my second channel on the other language. Yeah, but anyway, you can see how I made it, what I did there, and maybe by the way, a lot of guys from other countries watch my channel, are watching my channel and learning how to make a track, something like that. Yeah, so Mensch was here, guys. Bye bye.